Hello and welcome, guys. This is my little review of the Omni 2 old digital camera. Now, if you guys follow my channel, you know that I love these old digital cameras, and this one's pretty neat. Got it on eBay. Little SD card will go in there. Let's put it in now. Check this out. Little quick review, and then we're actually going to check out some of the footage and some pictures from this camera. So that's where your SD card goes. And and let me show you it takes AAA batteries, but if you notice on top, you can actually get lithium ion battery to go in here, so you don't necessarily need AAA batteries to use this camera. You can get lithium ion battery and put it in there. I didn't get one with this purchase, I just got it with the batteries, and matter of fact, when I got them, the batteries were corroded inside. These are not it. I cleaned it, and it's working beautifully now. As you can see, here we got the landscape, and then if you were doing close-ups, there's a little switch there. Here's the lens, 5.5 millimeter lens, f2.8. This is your mic. You got two separate joysticks, right? So you got this joystick here at the bottom, and you got your record button at the top right there, and then here you zoom in, here you zoom out. Zoom in, zoom out. This is the mode. And let's open up the camera. So let's take a look at the LCD. It turns on right away. It's on film mode. Flash is off, auto white balance, and then regular color. And here, if you press mode, it switches to your picture mode. 16 megapixels. This is your play button right here. Now, I don't have anything on the SD card at the moment to show you, but we're going to get into it. I'm going to show you some photographs and some video with this camera. It's your white balance, the quality, effect, size, date stamped, burst mode, stabilizer. I use a stabilizer, but it's really not that great. I really wouldn't use it. It looks very wobbly. I'll show you the footage from that in a few minutes. Okay, this is with stabilization. Trying to hold it as steady as possible. This is with stabilization, but it's really not usable. And here you got another power button. So if you press that, that's your power. You can shut it off there. So that shuts it off. And I really like this articulating LCD screen now. You can go full. Well, maybe not full. I thought you can go full, but you can bring it down like that. So if you wanted to do like a selfie, you can do selfie with it if you wanted to do that. It's high definition, but high definition with this camera means 720p. Here's a little, it gives you the time and date right there. And here's the, like I said, this is the play button. Here is the record button. So let's close this up. Take a look at it. Here's the record button right there, and there's your mode once again. Just take a look at it. Oh, here's the tripod. So you want to put it on a tripod, you would put it right there. So very interesting camera, right? Because you will hold it like this if you're filming, and if you take out your LCD, you're kind of using it like that to film. Now, guys, let me know in the comments if you guys ever seen a camera like this before. If you have, let me know, or if you own this camera. And then HDMI AV out via USB right there. So take a look. So it's a micro HDMI, and then you got your USB out right there. Really like this camera. Very small and compact, as you can tell. Ask me some questions. Let me know if you have this camera, or if you have any tips and tricks. Fairly new to using it, so I'm still getting to know the inner workings of it. Alright, let's jump into the menu and check that out, and we'll check out some photographs. I'll see you very soon. Okay, so when you turn on the Omni 2, this is exactly what the menu looks like. Let's change up the mode. Instead of video, you see the video icon there. Let's change it to camera mode. All right, just some basic stuff here. As you see, 60 megapixels. Then you got the time. Then you got the year, the month, and the date. There's no way to change that. Automatic white balance, and then no light, and then that's just showing you your regular RGB colors. So here, if we click to the left, we're going to see that on the left hand side we're going to be able to get our histogram, and then a lot more information regarding what we have on the screen here. Now on the left hand side, you see that they're showing you like the calendar and then the time. That's just telling you what it's showing you. But I do like the fact that it's showing you the histogram. If you click one more time to the left, there's no display. One more time, let's go to video mode. And I change it to video mode. And one more time, guys, there goes video mode. And as you can see, HD, AVI, and then it shows you that the light's not on. Auto white balance, same thing, color. But then at the bottom, it gives you, if you were starting to record, you will see that 000 down at the bottom will start going. All right, let's click to the left, same thing, histogram, HD, HVI. All right, let's go into the menu. Let's see what we got here. We got white balance. We got quality. Let's click on quality. If that's your highest quality, that's a little bit less quality, high quality. Okay, here's effect. Effect is meaning just regular colors, sepia, and black and white. All right, let's go down. So obviously I just turned it to black and white. Let's look at what black and white looks like. Let's just click out of it. So there you go. That's black and white. And you can tell it's telling you on the side it's black and white. But let's not, let's get out. This is just a regular scene. Now we're going to go back to camera mode. There we go. Okay, let's go into the menu. Okay, let's go down to effect. Let's put it back on color. There's the color. There's the size of your picture, 1 megapixel, 3 megapixel, 5, 8 megapixel, and I got it set to the highest. Okay, this is the date and stamp. Burst mode, stabilizer. Okay. Okay. And let's change it again. Okay, so here we can format, so you can pick your language. You can format your SD card. This is default, auto power off, where you can change your auto power 5 seconds, 1 second, and whatnot. I have it set to 5 seconds. Frequency, you can set to 60 or 50. And it'll go down. You got your standard TV. So if you're in the US, you want to set it to NTSC, which is what we want. Date and time, again, this is where you will be able to change the date and time. Okay, so you highlight it red, and you just move down and scroll down until you have it to where you need it. And hit OK. This is the beep. You can have the beeps on or not. I have them turned off. Memory status is just showing you that there's no movies in there. Photos, there's 2 movies in there, and then how much space is in the card. I don't have an SD card, but that's exactly what it looks like. Okay, so let's go back and take a look. Okay, so there we go. So that's a quick overview. Now I'm going to show you exactly what the pictures and video looks like, and we'll get more in depth. And if you guys got any questions, just feel free to ask me, and then I'll show you what it looks like. All right. Today, filming with the Omni 2 old digital camera. So we're gonna try this out. As you know, I enjoy all digital cameras, and today I'm filming using this for the first time. Uses 4 AAA batteries, and yeah, come along with me. Let's check this out. File format for this camera is AVI. Highest you can go is 720p HD. Regarding the audio, I believe the microphone is like right on top. It's actually on the side. I can see it right now. It's on the side. It's probably not going to be good quality audio, but yeah. So if you were doing vlogging style like this, you got the screen that flips out, and it actually, you can flip it over the opposite way so you can see yourself and you can hold it.